ready once again. Gates open, they're up and racing it. Chetera draws for your lead. Hagdang Bato in second. Windy Hour comes next, running by the rail. Amazing Mix Tagurano and Eichel still running at the tail of the field as they race towards the half-mile pole. Hagdang Bato now takes up the running over at Chetera on the outside. Then racing in third by the rail. Amazing Mix Tagurano, Eichel and Windy Hour now in behind them. Rounding at the last 600. Hagdang Bato leading the field by half length. Pressing upon the outside once again at Chetera by the rail. Amazing Mix Tagurano and Eichel as they turn for home. Hagdang Bato still leading the field at Chetera on the outside. Amazing Mix by the rail. Eichel and Tagurano in the hour. And down the stretch they come. Hagdang Bato running by the rail, moving up at Chetera and Amazing Mix. And with 75 meters at Chetera with Mark Alvarez winning this race over Hagdang Bato, Amazing Mix, Eichel, Tagurano and Windy Hour.
1-4-3.